Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add custom bio and threads. As we all know, it's similar to or it should be similar to the other apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Let's find out how we can add a custom bio and this app threads. Let's dive in. First, I just want you to go to get through your app, and once you are in your account, I want you to go into this icon, your profile, and the bottom right corner, tap on it. And once you are here, I want you to go through this option, edit profile, not share profile. Tap on edit profile, and here, as you can see, we found bio, and we can create a custom bio just by tapping on here, tap, and right here you can type anything that you want to add to your bio, and also you can use emojis. Yes, you can use emojis, and also you can copy paste the links that you want to add to your bio on threads, etc. That's it. That's how you can make or create a custom bio on threads, and it's will not affect your Instagram account because the bio of threads and Instagram is not the same. But as a note and as a bonus, you can't change your name from threads. It's only changeable just from Instagram app, and that's it. It's so easy and so simple. As I told you, just a few steps you can make a great bio, etc. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video to your beloved ones or with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.